So now let's proceed with checking up all the data and whether it is correctly formatted or not. So before that, I'll just go ahead and see in the view. I will click on column quality. You'll be able to see what and all problems are available in these particular columns. So if you see error 0%, but it is showing some 1% null values, empty values. So if you click on this arrow, you'll be able to see this null value is available. So if it is like very less amount of data, you'll be able to see like few have null values available. But if data is in the form of millions, so you can't able to go ahead and see each one of them. So you can click on this null values, you'll be able to see. And this is the error list may be incomplete, so click on load more. So if there is any incomplete data, so it will just load up over here, and click on OK. So you'll be able to see all these values will be loaded in this. And after that, you'll be able to see in this supplier column also there is 1% empty value it is showing. So once I click on this, so there is like one blank value is there, or there must be a space. So you'll have to analyze and fix that error. So by using this column quality, you'll be able to see what exactly it is required to fix any kind of a data. So if I just wanted to fill this, so since I am able to see like it is like 2020 value is given, you'll have to analyze and understand what exactly could be the value over here. If it is null, this is the year column, you can just simply go ahead and replace the null value. And now I am able to see like it could be a 2020 data, because we are going to perform, and there is a requirement we only want a 2020 data. And we have to analyze the sales performance. So I'll just go ahead and fill this null value. So you can just simply go on home tab, or you can just click on this. You'll able to see replace value. So if I'll click on this replace value, so what I have to fill, this is a case sensitive, so you'll have to make a note of it. So as it is, you have to perform, and you have to mention null value. If it is in the form of small letters, so you exactly have to mention the same. So I'll just go ahead, click on replace value. I'll mention exactly same, and this has to be replaced with 2020. So if I'll click on OK, so now all the null values will be replaced by 2020, and you'll be able to see the applied steps. It has taken this step, that on the filter row replaced value. So we have performed the value, replaced value was this step. And now in this also I'll be able to see that there is a blank. So if I'll click on this blank, what exactly it is showing. So let's go ahead and see. These are all the blank value it is showing. So I'll just click on all. Okay. So what we can see, we can just replace this blank value with null, so that it should say null values. Okay. So now this is replaced. Now I'll able to see like there is some space before that letters has started, so there is some space between them. So it might happen like everywhere, that might be in each column there must be a space. So just click on all, and this is a formatting we want to perform. So you can just click on transform. This is the option called format. You can click on format. There are multiple things. If you want to lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, clean and trim, so these many options are available in this format. So I'll just click on trim. So wherever there is a space in the initial, and whatever data was on the right hand side, it has shifted to left side, and the space has been removed. And this also have seen in this applied step, this is a trim text. So under home, you'll be able to see there are multiple options available. So if you want any new source or any new data, new table to be added over here, you can click on this recent sources. Now since I have like worked on so many files, so it is seen over here. Enter data, you want to enter some data, you can just click on this and enter the data you want to add. Data source setting, the one I have told you, like this is the source. If path has been changed, you can click on data source setting, and you can go ahead and change the source and connect your data again to perform any transformation step. Manage parameter we are going to see in upcoming, and then refresh preview. Once you perform any kind of changes, you can just refresh the preview, and that will get refreshed. And these are the properties: advanced editor, and then manage, delete, duplicate and references, choose column, go to column, remove column, or keep rows, or you want to delete the rows, like duplicate rows are there, so you can just simply click on duplicate. And this is like, are you sure you want to insert the step? Then yes, so all the duplicate values will get deleted, and it is showing over here: trim text and removed blank rows. And then split column is there if you want to just select this column and split by delimiter, by character, by position, lower to uppercase, upper to lowercase, digit to non-digit, or non-digit to digit. So these many steps we can perform in this transformation.